And if you can ask the cabin crew, prepare for a manual safety briefing. We will now demonstrate the safety features of this A380 aircraft, and your attention. My apologies there, obviously I just got cut off on the PA, apologies. We will now demonstrate the safety features of this A380 aircraft, and your attention is essential as these may differ from any aircraft you may have flown on before. Please study the safety card in the seat area, as this includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type, such as the brace position and location and operations of the doors. In the event of emergency, low level lighting will guide you to an exit. All exits are clearly marked and are being pointed out to you now. Please take a moment to locate the nearest exit, bearing in mind this may be behind you. Opening the doors automatically inflates the evacuation slides. High-heeled shoes must be taken off, as these may tear the slides. Please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. It must be worn whenever the seatbelt signs are on, and is fastened and adjusted like this and opened like this. For your comfort and safety, we recommend you keep your seatbelts fastened and visible at all times. If the cabin air supply fails, oxygen will be provided. Oxygen masks like this will appear automatically. If you are wearing a face mask, this should be removed before putting on an oxygen mask. Stay in your seat, pull the oxygen mask towards you, place the oxygen mask over your mouth and nose, and breathe normally, adjusting the band to secure it. Please note that the bag may not inflate. You may need to pull on a coloured streamer to release your mask. Make sure that your own mask is fitted before helping anybody else. Your life jacket is underneath or beside your seat. If you require it, remove the jacket from its container and pull it over your head. Pass the tapes around your waist and tie them securely in a double bow at the side. To inflate, pull the red toggle as shown. The air can be topped up by using the mouthpiece. There is a whistle and a light for attracting attention. We ask you do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Any personal devices with flight safe mode should have this feature enabled now. Handheld devices must be held securely or placed in a pocket. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your luggage for takeoff and landing. Take care of your devices. Do not get lost beneath your seat. If it does, please don't move it, but let one of the cabin crew know and we'll help you to find it. Devices must be switched off and disconnected from the seat power socket when not being used in flight. Please ensure that your hand baggage does not block the aisles or exits. It must be put under the seat in front of you or in the overhead locker. Place items in the locker carefully, as they may fall out and injure somebody around you. In the case of an evacuation, you must move quickly to the closest usable exit, taking nothing with you. Ensure that your seat is now upright in the takeoff position and the armrest down, and the tables are stowed away. If you do have a footstool or a video screen, please stow these now. Window blinds must now be in the open position for preparation for takeoff. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is not permitted anywhere on board the aircraft. This does include the toilets, where we are fitted with smoke detectors. If you have any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to ask a member of the cabin crew. Thank you.
Underneath. Thank you. Seatbelt on. Thank you very much.
Ask the cabin crew to take your seats for takeoff, please. Seats for takeoff. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome aboard this British Airways service to Madrid. My name is Craig, I'm the in-flight manager on today's service. Special welcome to those of you returning from the executive club and those of you joining from our One World Alliance partners. May I remind you to keep your seatbelts fastened whenever you are seated, and must remain securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. When opening overhead lockers, please take care as these items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. If you are seated in the club well, please take care of your personal electronic devices when adjusting your seat. If your device does fall beneath the seat, please don't move the seat, but just ask for a crew member and we'll assist you as best we can. Thank you.